What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. I switched Airbnbs over the weekend, so you'll notice the background is different. Still in Johannesburg for one more month. Loving it. But I know most of you don't give two shits, so we're going to get into the analysis. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. Currently, Bitcoin sitting at 22.8K. We had a big juicy bounce. I released some of the news on the situation with the Fed bailout of both the Silicon Valley Bank as well as USDC, which depegged and seems to be repegging now with the Fed bailing them out. All of that is available in the Discord. So currently we're up about 10%. So your market cap at 437 billion. 24-hour volume, 42.49 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit. Up to 30,000 in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the charts. Wow, looks like we're about to put in the wave 5. That's a good sign for the bulls. That's a really good sign. So far, we had 3 waves up, so there was potential for an ABC correction. However, if we can put in a 5-wave move, that gives you the higher possibility of this potential large wave 2 pullback being complete and now pushing up in a big juicy wave 3 to the upside, which would be absolutely incredible. Definitely possible as we reach the 50% retracement level. So you came up in a wave 1, A, B, C into a 2 to the 50% retracement. And if we put in a 5-wave move and we hold that wave 2 pullback, then you can see that continuation up in the wave 3, which would be extremely juicy and very exciting. Now, we'll give a wave 5 target here with our fib retracement. So we'll zoom in. Wow, yeah, it looks like we're definitely going to put in that wave 5. So take a fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3, bottom of wave 4. And your wave 5 target would be the 618, which is currently coming in at 23.2K. So if we push up to that level and you see a nice A, B, C correction in a wave 2, we hold that wave 2 pullback, see continuation, then there's a good possibility the bottom is in. Now, if we fail to hold the wave 2, we break below the 0.786, then higher likelihood this was a wave B, and then you come down in a wave C. But the first sign is putting in that 5-wave move, and it looks like Bitcoin is about to do that. So that's pretty exciting. Looking at our next chart, as I mentioned, we came back to the 50% retracement. So let's give you a wave 3 target. If we break out from here, we can give a nice juicy wave 3 target based off that wave 2 low. So take your fib extension from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of the wave 2. If this is the bottom, then we can give a wave 3 target, which is the 1.618 at 43.5K, which would be extraordinarily juicy in my opinion. So we'll give a little price target. That's all the way up at about 43. Move that up a little bit here. Whoa. Yeah, right around 43.5, but it just wants to sit at 43.2. All right, gang, so if we could get back above the EMAs on the daily, right now we're pushing back up into them. If we get back above the EMAs, we hold them. That could be more confirmation of seeing continuation to the upside. Now, looking at the Dow Jones, we've almost met our target. We are holding the support of this descending broadening wedge. If we can continue to hold that support and bounce, and we break back up into this pattern, then that would give a strong likelihood you're going to see continuation to the upside. But if we do break down, we have our target here of 30.8K. The DXY almost made our 106 target. As you can see, we broke down. We starting to lose the EMAs. So if we do continue to break down, your next support's at 102, and then you're sitting about 100. We had a bearish divergence on the RSI, which could be playing out. The 4-hour is oversold. So if we do bounce from here, then you'll see a little bit of pullback. However, the DXY did push all the way up to 112, and if we scroll back, let me go to the weekly time frame. As you can see right here, it pushed up into heavy resistance all the way from 2001. We had that resistance for the DXY right around 112. So it could be that this is a nice 5-wave move. You have a wave 1, ABC into a 2, wave 3, ABC into a 4, and that's your final wave 5. And this could be the beginning of an absolutely massive correction for the DXY, which would be extremely positive for the price of Bitcoin. And we would definitely see the next bull run in that situation. All right, gang, so it looks like we're going to put in that 5-wave move if we can break that high, which is a good sign for the bulls, as that's what you want to see. As that's what you want to see off a low is a 5-wave move, and then hold the ABC, the 3-wave move, in a 2. If you hold that wave 2 low, you bounce. Then there's a very strong likelihood that our larger wave 2 in green here is complete, and you would push all the way up in a wave 3, which would take you all the way up to about 42K. This needs to be brought up a little bit more. Bring you all the way up to about 43.2, 43.5K. We'll have to see how it plays out. If we get rejected, we roll over and we lose the wave 2 pullback zone. So if we push up, we start to roll over, we break the 0.786, higher likelihood you're gonna come back down and break this low and potentially put in that wave C. So what you'd have to be looking at is that's an A wave down. There's your wave B, and then you would come down in a wave C. However, it looks like we're gonna put in that 5-wave move. So what we'll look for is the completion of the wave 5, see the 3-wave pullback. If we hold the 3-wave pullback in a wave 2, very, very strong likelihood that our larger wave 2 here in green is finished. And the bottom is in for BTC. We'll see how everything plays out. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, member profits. I like to post their gains in here. As you can see, Mahalo all plays. We shorted Bitcoin from 25K and Ethereum from the peak 2. We locked in those juicy gains, and we'll look for our next trades. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.